Alright. So, we're gonna be explaining cricket in this. That's my good friend Santino. Present yourself. Okay, you are Santino, right? Good, yes, good. Now, I'm gonna throw you the ball, and you're gonna have to bat it. Okay, because stance is good. Now, I'm gonna throw the ball. You gotta grab the ball like so. Kinda like a tiger, you'd say. Kinda like a tiger. And you gotta throw it. Well, he's terrible at batting, so let's... Alright. That's Santino. I am Agustin. Cool? Cool. Oh, oh. Now.
Well, here we are. I'm going to do this. He's terrible and well, and a bowler, professional. Let's go. Here and